Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss extreme programming from subject software engineering. Let's first discuss the learning objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you are able to understand the extreme programming and 12 rules for extreme programming. Let's first discuss what is extreme programming. Basically, extreme programming is an agile development framework that aims to produce higher quality software and higher quality of life for the development team. XP is the most specific for the agile frameworks regarding appropriate engineering practices for the software development. So basically, XP is a more radical agile methodology and focusing more for the software engineering process. It addresses the analysis, development, test phases with novel approaches, and it makes a substantial difference to the quality of the end of the product. Now let's discuss some basics activities for the extreme programming. Basically, there are five main factors that are applicable for the extreme programming values. These are the communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, and respect. Let's discuss all these. Basically, communication is a software development inherently a team sport that relies on communication to transfer knowledge from one team member to everyone else on the team. Extreme programming stresses the importance of the appropriate kind of communication, face-to-face discussion with the aid of a whiteboard or the drawing mechanism. The next value is a simplicity. Simplicity means what is the simplest things that will work. The purpose of this is to avoid waste and do only absolutely necessary things such as keep the design of the system as simple as possible so that it is easier to maintain, support and revise. Simplicity also means addresses only the requirement that you know about. Don't try to predict the future. The next value is a feedback. Feedback is a through constant feedback about their previous efforts. Teams can identify areas for the improvement and revise their practices. Feedback also supports simple designs. Your team builds something, gathers feedback on your design and implementation, and then adjust your product going forward. The next is a courage. Basically, courage is effective action in the face to fear. The definition shows a preference for action based on other principles so that the result aren't harmful to the team. So you need courage to raise the organizational issue that reduce your team's effectiveness. You also need courage to stop doing something that doesn't work and try something else. You need also courage to accept and act on feedback even when it's difficult to accept. The last is a respect. The members of your team need to respect each other in order to communicate with each other, provide and accept feedback that honors your relationship, and to work together to identify simple designs and solutions. So, these are the five basic values of the extreme programming. Next, in extreme programming, there are four basic activities that are implemented by using the practices and which are the traditional software engineering practices, but elevated and embody and encourage the extreme programming values. These values can be compacted into a 12 simple rules. Now let's discuss the 12 simple rules of the extreme programming. First is a user stories, you can also call as planning. Basically, user stories can be used as a smaller version of your use case. In use case, you know that there are the system functionalities, actors, and the scope of the system. So, in this way, the customer define as briefly as possible the specification of the new applications, and these stories will be the base for the project team to do the cost estimation and the management of the project. The second rule is a small releases. Basically, the extreme programming emphasizes on a small, simple but frequent updates. So, updates of the application, and each newly added requirement will instantly incorporated and the system is re-released. So, extreme programming is used when the system wants releases very fast. Next is a metaphor, that is a standardized naming schemes. In the extreme programming, developers and the programmers must adhere the standards on the name, class names, and the methods. It is useful for the team members. Next is a collective ownership. In extreme programming methodology, all code is considered to be owned by the whole team. So, you should know that this is not your individual property. Hence, all code is reviewed and updated by the every team members. Next is the coding standard. Basically, styles and the formats of coding must be same in order to enable compatibility between the team members. This approach results in a more rapid collaboration between the team members. Next is a simple design. So always look for the system implementation that is as easy as possible for implementation, and but you have to also know, consider that all the requirements or the functionality meets in your system. Next is the refactoring. The application should be continually adjusted and improved by the team members, and it requires extremely good communication between the team members to avoid the duplication of the work. Next is the testing. So every small releases or the building block or the module must pass through a test before releases. In extreme programming, uniqueness in this aspect is that tests are created first and then application. So you have to pass the challenge of those pre-written tests. Next is the pair programming. In extreme programming, programmers works in a pair. So all codes is developed by the two members who works together in a single machine. The expectation is that in pair programming produces the higher quality code at the same or the less cost. Next is continuous integrations. In continuous integration, software builds are completed several times in a day. In this way, all developers can avoid the work fragmentation because they continuously releasing and integrating code with each other. 40-hour work week. It is also important to keep mental and physical conditions of your team member healthy. For that, it should be noted that the working not more than 40 hour in a week, so that you can handle all the tasks very easily with mental control. Next is the on-site customer. The customer must be viewed as an integral part of the project. The customer must be arranged to be available all the times in order to provide reviews or ensure that the project is in the right track. So these are the 12 basic rules for this team programming. In this figure, you can see that the first step is a planning. In this planning, the user stories, the values, the acceptance test criteria, and the iteration plan is decided. On the basis of the user stories, next step is the design. So design should be very simple, and it is Spike solutions are prototypes. So you have to release a small prototype of the system very early. The next is the coding. In the coding, they are prepared pair programming approach is used that we discussed, and the unit testing is performed. In testing phase, acceptance testing is also performed to meet the business objectives. So it is important the business objectives defined in the planning phase are tested in the acceptance testing. After the testing, the release is done, and after release, the customer interaction is possible, and with the help of that, the software increment is updated, or the new releases are comes in the market. Uh, this is the cost curve. You can see in the figure that in the x-axis the time is plotted, and in the y-axis cost is plotted. In the traditional, when the change is resisted, you can see that as the time passes, the cost is increases, but in the agile, changes are welcomed. So as the time passes, the cost is not as much as increase as compared to the traditional approaches. So nowadays, all the IT companies use the agile methodology for the software development. In this lecture, we discussed the 12 basic rules for the extreme programming. So, there is a one assignment, write and explain the 12 rules of extreme programming in detail. For more learning, you can refer these references. Thank you.